They are shooting from here also. Not only from the road, not only from tank, not only from their car. They are also shooting us from people's house. For example, this is the construction building. Several times they have shot us. And now you are listening the sound of shooting, grenade and cocktail. These all are done by the government, party, Chhatra League, Awami League, and the police. Who are police? We knew that police is the friend of people, police is the friend of students, police is the friend of all ages of people. But what happened here? We have seen police is the only friend of terrorists. Police is the only friend of. I hope you are hearing the sound of shooting. You are listening the sound of shooting. Police are not friends. They are the friend. They are the friend of police. Police is the friend, or police are the friend of government. Can you hear the sound? All these weapons are throwing over my innocent brother. What have mistake we done? We wanted our justice, but what have they done with us? From there, they are also shooting us. From there, they are also shooting us. But the Bengali are not fearless. They are very much brave. How many bullets do you have? Hey, government Hasina, cruelest Hasina. How many bullets have you bought? Huh? You have bought the bullets by the taxes of people, by the money of people. But to whom you are bulleting? You are bulleting to those. You are bulleting to those who are innocent, who are students. All over the people respect students, but you are disrespecting. You are humiliating. You are mocking. You are a real cruel.